All right, Eric Kaiser's with me, and what do you have here, Eric? Looks like a giant thermos, but that's not the case.
It is, no, it's not a giant thermos. JD, this is the Solderweld HVAC all-in-one kit, available with either 5 or 15% Sil-Fos rod in it. This kit includes a brush for aluminum repair. It includes the alloy sol rod, 56% Sil-Sol, 5 or 15% Sil-Fos, and our Alcop brazing rod for joining aluminum and copper junctions.
Okay, very nice. So this is all packed into one kit.
All packed into one easy to use, easy to find kit for a technician to keep on their truck. The hard case keeps the rods safe from getting damaged, keeps them easy to locate. It does have a gasket on it, so it's also a watertight case to keep water from coming in. And as always, all of our Solderweld cases have threads on them, which makes it easy to get a hold of the rods and get them out, and makes it real easy to find.
Awesome. All in one kit, very convenient for you, the HVAC contractor. And this product is available at Jackson Systems. You can view this or order it online or give us a call. It's available now.